and this is the biggest day of the project so far. Rose, what? Well, you're eating a sandwich.
Fucking hungry.
Oh, but like, you should put the sandwich down.
LSJ Fiero.
2 days earlier, lost some footage during the excitement of getting so close. Here we are preparing the engine bay and dropping the car onto the cradle. Alright, I've been getting really excited about finishing the project, and I haven't filmed every single step because some of it's really tedious again, but I am showing the results of it. This is a pedal bracket. Well, it's a drive-by-wire pedal, but this bracket here is something that I made and just recently painted, and it bolts into where the Fiero pedal bolts into, and then angles the red line pedal to the exact same position. So now that that's done, then we are almost ready to put the motor in the car. I'm sure there's a ton of stuff that needs, little stuff that needs to happen, but I think that we could put the cradle in right now and we could start the motor in the car. Right now I'm cleaning up the firewall, and I am finding all the loose things on the side of the motor and trying to paint any rust that I might see. Dan was really helpful that particular day, and he pretty much saved my butt as I was running out of steam after days of working on the car. Then, after many attempts, we aligned the cradle with the car and finally dropped the car onto it. Hey everybody, what's up? This is Project LSJ Fiero, and this is the biggest day of the project so far. Rose, what? Well, you're eating a sandwich.
Fucking hungry.
Oh, but like, you should put the sandwich down. Today is the day that we start the motor in the car. I'm not even sure if that's real, but it feels unreal until it happens. We have a special guest today. Rose's little brother, Zach, is here. He is an accomplished mechanic and just general all-around good guy. He came to witness the birth of the fire that is this engine in this vehicle.
Seems like it's gonna shoot flames.
We're determined. We're here today. We're gonna start this car today. So let's get to it.
Where's Sparta?
Damn, here's the sandwich.
You just recording me putting my hair up? Yeah, I did my hair last night, might as well.
Yeah, get all the colors in.
Why are we taking the T-top out?
Because it'll be easier to climb in and out. It won't hit your head. Okay, move it to the other T-top is along this back wall. I'm trying to move it as far away from us and danger as possible.
Why? You mean you cannot just replace these?
No, right, you already knew that. Those things are can be put in the wheelbarrow.
Hey you guys, so right now you guys, we are removing the inner keepings of the car. There were a lot of parts, there's just a lot of residual stuff. Basically, we're going to be preparing the inside of the car and clearing it out so that we can work on it. We've removed the T-tops. My brother's over here removing any of the,
Everything, basically.
Basically everything, because it's all over there. Yeah, I'm gonna start this time lapse. Here we go. the big car snake you got.
What?
The big car snake. Are you gonna let him give you the boop snoop?
The boop snoop? Boop my snoop.
But if you love the snacks, then it's a boop noodle. Look at that cute snoot. Deserves a boop.
Where
Snoot the boop.
are the wire cutters? Dikes? Something. Scissors.
Back of the car. So right here, Zach was replacing the clutch master cylinder.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is the new guy. He's gonna see this though. I'm gonna pull this out of the car. This thing was icky. Can you guys even see that? Like, there's like stuff in there. Yeah, I'm here.
We choose a jack and jack up that front corner. Yeah, because I mean we gotta replace the clutch line. That's all under that side. So if we can get that side
For real. Hi kids. Do you like violence?
You want to see me stick 9-inch nails to
Each one my eyelids. Copy me. Do exactly like I did. Try to get fucked up with some eyelids.
Where's the thing? How you doing?
We're doing okay. I think, are we like ready to start this? Is this the first time we're gonna start this engine inside of the car?
Yes, it doesn't have cooling system yet, but we can run it for about 30 seconds
Okay.
if it starts. Okay. All right, Brett. No, don't turn it off.
I was turning itself off.
All right, well, we want to see if the motor revs. We gotta get our foot on the gas.
Hold on. There's a big ass pill down there. If I'm careful. Nope, there's no being careful.
What's happening, guys? What's happening?
Okay. Okay. Now join.
So to catch you guys up to base on what just happened, there was a leak in one of the coolant hoses that we had, and we obviously discovered that just after putting coolant in it, and we've sliced the hose, and Alex is making it work.
Okay, cool. There's a funnel for the front. All right, moment of truth. It's time to go. Keep it on. Keep it on.
Oh, keep it on.
Just let it idle. It'll idle on its own.
the first time. And then, yeah, straight back. This is the first time in over 10 years that this car has ever driven.
We went. We just did the thing, you know? And that's what we do on this channel. We like to say we're gonna do the thing, and then the thing is done. You know? 365 days in between. Or more. I don't count right, you know? Stuff, things.
Well,
a long day.
To be fair, it only...
Rose did the whole thing. She got the thing started. I just laid around in the mud. That and her brother Zach. He gets ass. He's over there. It's like, no! He wanted to witness.
You can't see it anymore. I was fucking sandstorm over here.
Yeah, it was like Drew wrote a song about this kid.
Okay, we will be back very soon with like body panels kind of on it. We'll take it to our house. When it's at our house, we'll sit and do all the interior and all the fiddly bits, and we can work on it all the time for like a few minutes instead of all day with babysitter. It'll be amazing. Like, that's what we're all about. That's what we're trying to do. I think you could drive this out of here. I bet you would make it home. I mean, I wouldn't, because like it's only half welded together and it'd probably fold in the middle. But other than that, ka-chow. Rose was here.
I was here. I was a part of this. I actually did stuff in this episode, even though we didn't film half of it because a lot of it was like literally we spent like 5 hours fucking around with the coolant.
Yeah, nobody wants to see that.
Yeah, no, nobody else wants to see that. That was like all very minor comparative.
Dude, I can't believe you replaced that clutch line. That's fucking insanity. I was like, I will do that weeks from now because it's gonna suck so much. It shifts into gears too.
But
we gotta go. We are an hour late. That's for you.
Babysitters.
For you.
No, I'm still taking these guys home.
Oh my God. I'm so hungry. I have a sandwich. Okay.
Yeah.